Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp, never mutate state. So when we have this reducer, we have a state and we want to update it. And we have action and we want to do something and return an updated state. But we never want to mutate it. And mutate as in we change the values in it. Like we can't dot push, dot pop. We want to create a copy of it with the new steps, the new data we want to add to it. So only arrays and objects are immutable. If it's in a string or a number, we can just change it like normal. We don't have to make a copy because it already creates a copy of it. So we can look at this example here where it wants us to return the state here. So let's look at what's going on. So we're creating a store here and we're having an action creator of adding to do. And this is the action. And we're creating a reducer and state is to do's initially, which is this. And we want to add in a to do. So when we add in a to do, we pass in the to do in the action creator. So to do this, we want to return, and we don't want to do return state dot push action dot to do. We want to have to return an array, and we want to copy what we have originally with state with the spread operator. And next we want to add in the new action. So action dot to do. And that will get you the new state. Thank you so much.